Welcome back, everyone. Okay, what happens if you want an unordered list within an ordered list? Can that be done? Well, the answer is yes. So let's go ahead and type in an unordered list. Okay, I'm going to close off that tag right away. Pretty simple. And I'm just going to push a list item. So li, and I'm going to close off that tag right now. Li. It's just that simple. And as you can see, I'm going to say unordered list item. Okay, and I can go ahead and copy this as many times as I want. Pretty cool, right? Now, what happens if we want to add in another item on the ordered list after this? Okay, well, basically you just have to push li, and then you say ordered list item 2. And that's pretty simple. And of course, close off the tag. And again, if you want to even add in another unordered list after this, you can just go ahead and put it right there. And this is the result. Sounds kind of cool. And so let's just take a quick look at this. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and indent some of this just to make this a little bit more sense. So we have our list item here, and we have our unordered list item, and we have all of these list items right here. So what we're going to do is if I indent everything like this, you'll see that it makes a little bit more sense. Alright, and I'm just going to put everything here. And now, luckily for most people here, I'm just going to put that here. And in most editors, they actually format it for you like this normally, so you don't have to spend all your time pushing the space bar or the tab bar. Okay, so if you look at this, we have our ordered list, which is our first declaration of the list. Okay, this is the first list item, and then we have an unordered list. Okay, and remember, this ordered list doesn't end until we close off the tag here with the slash. Okay. And this list item, again, gets closed, so that line is done. This unordered list doesn't close until we actually close it off with this tag. And so all of these are on the unordered list, and that's how it knows that these are unordered list items. Okay? And then if we go under here, you can see there's another unordered list, and basically this is a different unordered list because we've already closed the tag off. Okay? And we also know that the ordered list, we can add in as many list items as we want as long as they're outside of these tags. And that's how you add in an unordered list to a list. Now, of course, you can actually go ahead and make these ordered lists. So you can have ordered lists within ordered lists. So as soon as you see I change the word to OL, basically what ends up happening is that this second list item here becomes an ordered list. Okay? And that concludes the tutorial. I'll see you guys next time.